Right, that is to users. Okay, so I didn't see that.
Hi all, I welcome you all to the new video here. So today we are going to discuss another team with a project on design thinking stages. So this is also going to be a design thinking project. We are going to discuss about the problem statement. We are going to discuss about the empathies what our students have collected. So I welcome you all to this new video. So I have my teammates here. So this is Fatima Nafos and Praveen and Durgesh. So all the members have collected problems, empathies on the problem statement. So our problem statement is a very unique thing. What we would not have imagined, because a traditional way of learning is what we are much more comfortable, we are much more known. But a gamified learning, so that is the catchy word. What we have used in our project. So in this product, the gamified project title is a gamified learning app for the rural students. So the betterment of a rural community. It is going to be an uplift in the rural society. So I'll just give you a glimpse of this project. It is going to encourage students to learn the traditional concepts in a gamified manner, through games, through puzzles, through quizzes, through some real experiments. So this is going to be the idea, the agenda, or the motto of our project. So I welcome my team here to brief on the problem statement and the empathy. Yes.
So our problem statement is gamified learning for rural education. So according to our empathy survey, we found that about 72% of students find it difficult to learn lessons taught in traditional game. So our project aims to create a gamified way of learning, where students engage in game activities to fun way.
Yes, very. As we collected empathy from students and parents, as the students are feeling bored and disconnected with the traditional way of learning, as they feel they lost their interest in the studies due to the lack of recognition and rewards, as they don't have a good fun and learning, so they lost their interest in learning. As they need a fun or encouraging way of learning, so they get a better education forever. So we collected empathy from teachers. So teachers are not well trained in things like digital and other apps like this, and they are very teachers are not well trained with digital apps like this, and they are very not comfortable with completing portions in a shorter time. So we created an app it's a phone for teachers. Right?
Yes. To summary, this empathy. Okay. So to categorize our empathy, we have identified empathies from students, identified empathies from parents, and identified empathies from the faculty. So in a learning community, only these are the major stakeholders. So I think the empathies collected will be much more sufficient. To just discuss on the empathies collected. So the first thing is empathies from the students. Students normally they feel much bored or disconnected from a class only if the classes are a monotonous way of communicating. If a faculty or a teacher is going to be communicating, is going to be speaking for the entire 55 minutes of duration, then the student will obviously feel much more disconnected. So he will have a lesser attention span. He will not have a thinking, or the cognitive mode of his brain will not be much more active. So at that time, this gamified learning or fun-based learning or an activity-based learning is going to encourage or engage a student in the class, and all the 55 minutes of the duration will be in an effective manner. So the time what is inbuilt for a course will not be wasted by the student and by the faculty. And in the next empathy, the empathy what we collected from the parents, it is a win-win situation for the parents and the teachers, because when a student is motivated, when a student is gaining knowledge, is going to be excelled in his career, then it is going to be a winning situation for the parents, because his ward, his student, his son has reached a good height in his career path. And for a faculty, for a teacher, it is a very winning situation for a teacher when the student of that teacher is going to get a good placement, good career, good opportunity in the real world, then it is going to be a winning situation for the teacher. So the empathy what collected from the parents is that both the teacher and the parent is going to get a positive impact by our app. Okay. Then from the empathy collected from the teaching community, the faculties or the teachers, it is really a tough situation for every teacher to be mastered in all the areas or to be expert in all the domains. So when a teacher is going to be much more strong in a particular domain, he can develop a gamified method of learning. So that method of learning is going to engage the student. Then in a rural community, we cannot expect all the teachers to be much more qualified or well trained in teaching or subjects, teaching the courses in a much more encouraging or engaging manner. So this gamified type of learning is going to support or it is going to be an aid to encourage the gamified learning for the teachers in the rural environment. So I think we have covered all the empathy points for our project, right? So I think this app is going to be in such a manner. Okay. So once again, to conclude, our project, the title is Gamified Learning Through an Application, Mobile Application. Thank you.